This beauty is a 1924 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost Pall touring body, and it was assembled in Springfield, Massachusetts. Here's some information here. Now I'm going to include a link to a brief history of Rolls-Royce, and you'll find in reading that article that they built cars in Springfield, Massachusetts from 1921 through 1935. So this is an amazing car, beautiful maroon finish, wire wheels, and it's a touring car. The back has a back seat there, but of course it's covered there by that canvas. Notice the spring there, that long leaf spring that is encased in looks like leather. Quite the car. And you'll notice it's right-hand drive, which would have been the same as the British version. The instruments are very nicely delineated there. They have a drum type speedometer. And a lot of American cars are right-hand drive too, before, especially in the brass era, and then gradually converted over to left-hand drive. We've got a double tail light here, and a very large add-on trunk here. That's how you carry things when there was no space within the body of the car. There's a little platform, and there was the trunk in the back. The gas tank would be right to the front of that. Very prominent running boards, of course. This is an auction car at Zephyrhills. I don't know whether it's sold or not. It's hard to imagine what the value of a car like this is. As always, it's a matter of demand. Notice the controls for ignition and speed there on the dash, or on the steering wheel rather. And there's the bending windshield. At least I figure it bends because it's got that horizontal trim across it. Very nice.